How to be a woman that will be confident in love? I know this is the most important question for you because you're done. You're done with this relationship where you give a lot, you receive nothing. You basically believe in the guy's words and then nothing happened. Or you're the only one towards your girlfriends, your friends, your family to struggle. And you're like, how can I love myself? How can I be in a healthy relationship? How can I really start something where I can enjoy my life, can be with my partners in crime? So if you're watching this video, I want to tell you that it's normal to ask yourself this question. If I'm honest with you, before to become a relationship expert, I ask myself, how can I recognize my value in love? Meaning, how can I stop being codependent? How can I stop valuing others and telling me that I'm a piece of shit and I need to give? If not, nobody will love me in return. You're not the only one that have those questions pop up in your mind. And I have one solution that I really wanted to show you in this particular video, in this specific video, okay? So it's basically some questions. I will give you questions that will reverse the dynamic, that will make you recognize your value, that will make you love yourself because you deserve to love yourself. So thing that we need to understand, number one, we need to know that we always look at the qualities in other person, in people's, but the flaws for us. So, oh, she's so beautiful. My body is not like her. Oh, she has a beautiful look. She dresses well. Oh, me, I can't really wear that. Or me, it's not my strength. So we always compare ourselves by looking at the positivity for others and the negativity for us. This is a pattern that we will stop right now. How? You will leave a comment just right below, immediately telling me, Alex, I promise I will stop comparing myself negatively to others. If you make this decision, you will feel empowered. You will feel different. And instead of focusing on others and giving and pleasing and being this horrible person that you are, you will start seeing your quality. I've coached so many women. They always see relationship and love as I need to sacrifice myself. I'm not even joking. I need to sacrifice myself to please this gentleman that I love. And at the end of the day, they are the ones struggling. They are the one giving and feeling like they are not good enough. So I told myself, this is over. And I have basically 5 questions. 5 questions I want you to ask yourself right now in order for you to recognize your value, in order for you to tell me, hey, Alex, you're right. I should love myself a little bit more. I should love myself because I'm a good and strong and independent and amazing woman. Okay? So question number 1. Why am I a good partner? You know, we always look at, I'm not good enough, or I don't know how to cook, or I'm always scared to lose him. I'm always texting. I have all these fears. Okay, but what makes you a good partner? I received this question when I was single, devastated, codependent man. And I just did a step back. I was like, good question. I'm a good partner because I am kind, because I want to love someone. I know how to love. I am a good partner because I can have fun with. I respect people, etc., etc., etc. And when I look at the list, I was like, oh, I'm not that bad. So I really want you to do this exercise. You can do it on a paper, on a notebook, or just in the comments. Tell me what are your qualities. And look at those qualities and you're like, wow, okay, I know I can give a lot. That makes me a good partner. Question number 2, how people feel when they are with you. Look at your friends. Look at your family. How do they feel when they are with you? I know they feel good. I know they feel light. Why? because you're the one managing the situation. You're the one organizing the holidays. You're the one organizing the dinner. You're the one trying to make everyone happy. Am I wrong? How can I know that? No matter if you're in England, US, Asia, wherever you're in the world, I know that about you because I've coached so many women. So the question is, how do they feel when they are around you? Them, yes, you're a good person. Oh my God, you're a good person. And we both know that. Question number 3. How can I act if I don't need to be reassured? Because that's basically the downfall of being so fearful of losing someone. We need to be reassured. Okay, how can I act if I don't have this fear? This will be your behavior right now. Very simple, very rational. So you need to share this video to all of your girlfriends that struggle with love or self-confidence, okay? Question number 3, how should I act if I don't need to be reassured? Because that should be your guideline. This is the behavior you want to get for the rest of your life. Question number 4, basically, how can I receive love without the feeling of giving back? It's weird, but if you want to be a high quality woman, especially in love, if you want to recognize your value, it is so important for you right now to know what do you want to receive. It's not just about giving. It's about I want to receive. I want to be this woman that deserves love, attention, kindness. This is who I am. So this is question number 4. Question number 5, this is my favorite one, so I really hope you stay with me for this video. Because if you love the content, you can hit the like button and subscribe. My videos are different. I'm a real coach. I'm experiencing situation with you, and I want to assist you in this journey. Question number 5, my favorite one. How will the world be? Let me repeat it. How will the world be with more people in it? I know. That's a very powerful question. You're telling me, Alex, I'm not good enough. I need to do more for a man to love me. I need to make sure that he sees my value. How will the world be with more people like you in it? I'm pretty sure we will have less problem. I'm pretty sure the world will be amazing. So what do you need more if you want to recognize your value? If you want to feel great, if you want to feel positive, if you want to feel strong? This is who you are, ladies. And the one thing you need to do is to continue the journey with me by subscribing to this channel. If you tell me, Alex, I love your philosophy, or I'm just discovering you, crazy French expert, you need to click in the description. Go grab your gift. You will have several videos that are private. They are not on YouTube, not on my website. It's very much my philosophy. It's basically the reason why it's special if you want to work with me. Okay? And then you will have access to private coaching. But first of all, go grab your gift in the description. Me, myself, and I will see you next time for a new video. Remember that you're very strong, and remember that you know how to recognize your value, ladies. I see you soon. Take good care of you.